Hey everyone, welcome back to Stealthy Finance Tips channel. Today, we're diving into the world of registered retirement savings plan and how to avoid basic or common mistakes associated with them. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start thinking about your retirement savings, and RRSP can be a great way to do just that. One of the most crucial aspects of RRSP is their flexibility. They allow you to contribute up to 18.5% of your previous year's income or $27,830, whichever is less. This means you can contribute more if you have a higher income, helping you maximize your tax savings today and potentially set yourself. Now, let's talk about contributions and carry forwards. If you don't contribute enough to your RRSP each year, you can carry forward any unused contribution room indefinitely. However, there's a catch. Once you turn 71, your RRSP becomes a registered retirement income fund, RRIF, which means you have to start reaping. When it comes to withdrawing from your RRSP, there are two main strategies: using it as an income source first when retiring, or by prioritizing RRSP withdrawals when retiring, you can minimize the amount of old age security OAS benefits clawed back by federal. This approach also gives you the option to use your RRIF as an emergency fund later on. In conclusion, avoiding these common mistakes with RRSP can help ensure that your retirement savings work hard for you and provide retirement income. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on personal finance and investing.